Want to create stunning motion graphics? Let's start with importing your prepared Photoshop file into After Effects. Before importing, structure your Photoshop file carefully. Each layer, or group of layers, should be a separate element. Think about what you want to animate. For instance, place different text elements or graphic components onto distinct layers. This is the foundation for effective animation in After Effects. With your Photoshop file ready, open After Effects and go to File, then Import and File. Locate your PSD file in the file browser. Under Import As, select Composition, retain layer sizes. This ensures your layers retain their original dimensions. Click Import to keep your layers editable. Your Photoshop file and layers are in the project window and a new composition has been created. Double-click the composition to open it and see all its layers. They are now ready to animate. You have imported your Photoshop file successfully and are ready to animate. Start experimenting and bring your designs to life. Remember to like and subscribe.